If you've ever sat in a saddle for hours and your hips, back, or legs start screaming at you, this right here might be the saddle that you've been waiting for.
Outdoors, I don't believe in recommending gear unless I've trusted it in the woods myself. Over the years, I've been blessed to have a lot of success chasing deer, turkeys, predators, and more. One thing I've learned is your equipment matters when the moment counts. No gimmicks, no guesswork, just real experience from the field. Welcome to Revive Outdoors Gear Season 2026.
Today we're looking at the brand new Latitude Outdoors Method 3 saddle. The saddle is currently on pre-order on our website. It should arrive later in this month or either into July, but after getting hands-on with it, I wanted to break down exactly what matters about this saddle. Who is it for, and why I believe Latitude fixed several problems saddle hunters deal with every season. And if you decide to grab one, you can support our mission at Revive Outdoors. You can save 10% off using code REVIVE. So that's reviveoutdoors.org. A lot of saddles feel great standing on the ground, but that's a completely different story once you're hanging from the tree. That's where pressure points start showing up. Your hips start to hurt, your back starts to tighten, maybe your legs start to tingle. The Method 3 feels like Latitude focused heavily on the pressure points and distribution of weight and body positioning. The support across this lower back area feels more natural and balanced compared to a lot of minimalist saddles. This is going to matter because it's going to directly impact how long you stay in the tree, how still you stay, and how patient you stay. Here's what I want you to think about. It's late season, you got cold weather, you got a long sit, the wind's barreling down on you. You know the mature bucks may not move until that last 15 minutes of shooting light. If your saddle becomes miserable after just a couple of hours, you're fighting yourself mentally because you cannot rest during the sit. That's where the saddle is going to come into play because it's going to help you stay effective longer into the hunt. The next thing I notice is adjustability with the saddle. Our issue with saddles is that every hunter has a different body type. So you got tall guys, you got short guys, you got guys with broad shoulders, you got different hip structure, and you have different sit styles. Some guys are going to lean really hard. Some are going to sit really deep. And then a lot of guys are constantly going to be rotating around the tree. The Method 3 is going to give you exactly what you need, and it's going to allow you to tune it to your specific body type to dial it to your fit. That matters because a saddle that fits you correctly feels a completely different way than one that technically works. You can have a lot of saddles that work, but you need them to feel comfortable. That's where Latitude actually designed this with real hunters spending hours in the tree. They're not just trying gear out in a warehouse or basing it off of another company's products. They actually tested this in the woods themselves. The bridge adjustment is going to feel really clean and smooth. All you have to do is put a little pressure here on the knot and it is going to move. The overall setup feels really streamlined and nothing really feels bulky or overcomplicated. And honestly, to me, that's one of the most important things that you can find in a saddle. Because complicated systems sound cool online until you're climbing in the dark, you have a ton of layers on, and it's cold, or you're trying to move quietly. Simple is always going to win in the woods every time. Another thing I like about the Method 3 is how well it fits the mobile hunting style. Public land hunters already know. Weight matters, bulk matters, and noise matters. If your setup is catching on every single thing or you feel like it's a backpack full of straps, eventually you stop wanting to move aggressively, which hurts your hunting. The Method 3 is going to pack down clean and feels like a purpose built for hunters covering ground. You can see here how it tucks nice and neat. When you're ready to deploy it, you just pop it off. It's got really strong magnets that pop up there, but you can tighten them down and cinch them tight so it doesn't ever pop loose when you're moving. This is going to be perfect for those, especially of you that run sticks, you bounce between presets, you scout while you're hunting or scout your way in, you hunt the fresh shine, you run and gun during the rut phases. The lighter and cleaner your setup is, the more likely that you are going to stay mobile. And mobility kills mature deer. A lot of hunters are going to over-focus on the gear specs while ignoring the real questions. Does this setup help me hunt better? That's the question that matters. Now let's talk about build quality. This is one area where Latitude has built a strong reputation. When you're hanging 20 feet up a tree, Confidence in your equipment matters. So the stitching, the material quality, the hardware, the overall design, you're going to notice pretty quickly when something feels cheap. The Method 3 does not feel cheap. It feels refined. It's an upgrade to the Method 2. And honestly, when it comes to saddle hunting, trust matters mentally almost as much as it does physically. If you're constantly questioning your setup, you're going to move more, you're going to focus less, you're going to hunt with less confidence. And confidence is what's going to create consistency, and that's going to be true in bow hunting across the board. If you are consistent, you are going to kill and achieve your goals in the woods this season. Now, realistically, who is this saddle really for? Because it's not really for everybody. I think this is going to be a strong fit for hunters who want better comfort, the mobile hunters, public land hunters, guys wanting to simplify their setup, hunters that are transitioning into saddle hunting. This is going to be a great first saddle for you, or experienced saddle hunters that are wanting refinement. They're wanting an upgrade to what they currently have. Now, if you absolutely hate saddle hunting already, this probably won't magically change your mind. But if your biggest complaint has been comfort or adjustability, this is going to address a lot of that. And the fact that we already have several pre-orders booked for this lets you know that it's in high demand already. It's not just a quality product, but people who are seasoned hunters are moving to this saddle as well. If you're getting into saddle hunting or you are going to upgrade your setup, here's what I'd focus on first. The very first thing is you're going to practice low first. Do not, please, do not wait until opening day. I want you to get comfortable with climbing, adjusting the tether at height. I want you to get adjusted to leaning. I want you to practice your shooting angles, rotating around the tree. That is going to help you become better with this setup. I want you to simplify your setup. Do not overload yourself with accessories immediately. A clean setup usually performs a lot better. And then next is going to be learning the tree selection. A saddle will not fix poor setup locations. Tree choice is going to matter massively. Last is stay mobile. The biggest advantage of saddle hunting is mobility. Use it. Most hunters stay too attached to one location. They overpressure it. The deer go somewhere else. You need to remain mobile to stay on top of the deer. Overall, I think that Latitude Outdoors Method 3 saddle has a very well thought out saddle and one of the better ones in the industry that I have handled recently and used a pretty good bit last year. It feels built by hunters who actually understand what long sits are, mobile setups, and real world comfort. Again, this is going to be pre-ordered right now. If you're watching this video later, then we have it in stock, but just check out the info on our website to be sure. If you want to support what we're doing here at Revive Outdoors, you can go over to reviveoutdoors.org, use code REVIVE for 10% off. If you want more gear breakdowns, real hunting tactics, and honest field-tested reviews, hit subscribe because gear season is just getting started. See you guys on the next one.